this method is different. This is my invented method. Okay, you have to follow this method. If you solve by this method and their method, answer will come same. But my method is very easy method. Okay, if you follow this, you will solve any game problem. So this is the player A, player B. You have two players. You have strategies. A1, A2. For example, B1, B2. Some values will be inside. For example, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this, 2, 4, 6, 0. This is the matrix. This is a simple problem. We have to find the strategy and solve the value of the game. This is only for 10 marks or 5 marks. If it is question number 2, it will be of 5 marks. If it is question number 3, 3, 4, 5, it may be any one. So it will be for 10 marks. So first step for any game problem, we have to check the saddle point. Another name of saddle point is the game value. So how to check the saddle point? Any problem with the game, you have to think, you have to check first saddle point. So how to check? This is row, everyone knows? Yes? And this is column. Okay? So think in the mind, minimum of the rows. Always it should be minimum value of the row. We have to think. So what is the minimum value in the first row? 2. Okay? Put like this, 0. Circle it. 2. Minimum of the row. Here minimum of the row? 0. So minimum of the row. We have to think and you have to circle it. Now, for column, we have to think maximum value. Maximum of the column. Maximum, that is value. Maximum of the column. Okay. So what is the maximum here? 6. You square box. Here maximum 4. When the square and circle, they are not coinciding, they are not going to come in the same place, so there is no saddle point. When it will come like this, same 6 and like this 0 in the same place, row and column coincide, that is your saddle point. Here in this problem there is no saddle point, so this is, there is no game value, no saddle point exists. So in this case we will proceed by mathematical method. Understood? First we have to check saddle point, minimum of the row. You have to fix in mind. When you practice, you will get fixed. Solve at least 10 problems. When you finish this session, at the end, when you go home, you should solve 10 problems at least of game theory. Then you will come to know. Solve all the question paper. I have brought all the question paper. University, I will take that also. So minimum of the row 2, minimum of the row 0, maximum of the column 6 and 4. There is no saddle point. Therefore, we proceed by mathematical method. Okay. Now, how to proceed? So, in all of you, 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4 is not minus 2 here. It is minus 2 when you come outside. But when you write after this, 2 minus 4 is 2 here. This is the rule. And bring the arrow here. And bring it to along this side. 6 minus 0. 6. Bring it here. 6. Okay. 2 plus 6. Addition. 2 plus 6. 8. Divide by 8. Both sides. This is the first part. Can I repeat? 2 minus 4, 2. Put in front of this only exactly. Bring arrow in the same place like this. So here 2 will come. 6 minus 0, 6. Put the arrow here, 6 here. And addition of 2 plus 6, 8. Here 8. This is the first part from the row side. Similarly, if it was minus, what is the value?
6.
2 minus of minus
Plus.
4. So it will 6. Understood? If minus is there, you have to add. Minus into minus plus, you know that. Everyone knows. Yes?
Yes.
So 2 minus of minus 4 is 6. Now it is only 4. On this side, 2 minus 6. 2 minus 6? 4. So 4 you have to take exactly here. 4 minus 0? 4. So it will come exactly here. And this addition of these two? 8. 4 by 8, 4 by 8. Understood? This part everyone understood?
Yes.
Okay. Now we'll solve the game value. Okay. Now game value, formula for game value. The first number, any first number you take, either this, but you have to think it very strategically. If I take this front one, it's easy to take this front one. So 4 into corresponding strategy. 4 into corresponding strategy. 6 by 8 plus second number, this side only, this line. 0 into corresponding strategy is how much? 2 by 8. So this is 0. So here 2 3s are 2 4s are 4 4 cancel. Game value is 3. Very easy. Any difficult problem can be solved very easily if you know this mathematical method. Understood till now? Understood? First number this. Even I take this also, answer will come same. See here, we'll check. 2 into 6 by 8. This 2 into 6 by 8 plus 6 into 2 by 8. So here 2 3s are 2 4s are 2 2 cancel. Here how much? 2 2 4s are 2 3s are 2 2s. 6 by 2 is equal to how much? 6. Something. Here 2 into 6 by 8 plus 6 into 2 by 8. Calculate it. How much? 2 4s are 2 3s are. 3 by 4 plus 2 4s are 2 1s are 6 by 4. Here again 2 3s are 2 2s are plus 2 3s are 2 4s are 3 2s are 6 by 4. So 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 is 6 by 2. How much? Same answer, but it will get confused. You follow this side only. Okay, don't. This is for just for explanation. I have said that if you do like this also, 2 into 4 by 8 plus 4 into 4 by 8, answer will come same. 6 into 4 by 8 plus 0 into 4 by 8, answer will come same. You follow this side only for your confusion. 4 into 6 by 8, 0 into 2 by 8. Understood now? This part, game value. Now strategies. Strategies of player. Okay, players. So for player A, bracket. This is A1 strategy 6 by 8. Second, A2 2 by 8. And for B, down 4 by 8, 4 by 8. This is the final answer. You will get 10 out of 10. Which is 5 out of 5. Understood? This part understood?
Yes.
Now I will take the problem of the previous one. Have you noted down this? Photo. Take the photo. Or you want to write? Right. Very easy?
Yes, sir.
It is very easy. You see the book method. It is very difficult. Manufacturing firms. To breakfast, food, manufacturing firms. two breakfast food manufacturing firms A and B are capital A and B are competing for an increased market share to improve its market share. Both the firms decide to launch the following strategies. Number 1. Following strategies. Number 1. A1B1 equal to give coupons. A1B1 equal to give coupons. A2B2 decrease price. A3B3 maintain present strategy. A4B4 increase advertising. The payoff matrix is given below. Determine the optimal strategy and value of the game. Value of the game. So this is the problem given, okay, in the activity. So we have to construct in the form of matrix. So we construct in the form of matrix. So solution. A1, A2, A3, A4, form A, form B, B1, B2, B3, B4, 35, 65, 25, 5, 30, 20, 15, 0, 40, 50, 0, 10, 55, 60, 10, 15. In this way, you have to write when you solve the problem. The problem will be given like this, so don't confuse. What is this? You will think. So you have to. The problem will be not given in this form. You have to convert this while solving in the matrix form. A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B4. So this is a very big problem. You will confuse how to solve. Within 5 minutes, you can solve the problem. Okay. Trick is there. So what is the first step I told you? When the problem is given to you,
minimum of row.
check the saddle point. Check. Number 1, check the saddle point. So how to check? Minimum of the row. Okay. Minimum of the row is 5. Sir, correct. Minimum of the row 0. Minimum of the row 0. Minimum of the row 10. Okay. Now maximum of the column. Maximum 55 square box. Maximum 65. Maximum 25. Maximum 15. So there is no saddle point. There is no saddle point exists. There is no existence of saddle point. So we will proceed by another method. If 2 by 2 matrix is there, you will proceed by mathematical method. If this is number of rows and columns are maximum, we have to reduce to 2 by 2 matrix. Understood? Now we cannot do directly mathematical here. In the 2 by 2 matrix only we can do mathematical. So we have to reduce this matrix to 2 by 2. So there is another method called, what is the method? Do you know? Dominance. Dominance theory. So it is not mentioned to solve the problem by dominance, but you can solve. If it is mentioned, solve the following game by dominance theory. Okay. So first understand what is dominance. One row is dominated by another row. How? If all the values of the row, say A1, this row, first one, are minimum or less than equal to, then that row is dominated by, when we compare with another row. For example, 35 is greater, it will not, we'll compare with this. 30 is less than 35, 20 is less than 65, 15 is less than 25, 0 is less than 5. All less when we compare with this row? Yes? So this row is dominated by this row. So we'll put it like this. So it is called dominance theory for row. Understood? I will repeat one more time. For dominance theory, the row value, one row is compared with another row. Any row you can compare, either this or this. All the elements of that particular row should be less or equal to पण आहे, less than or equal to. Row values P row सोबत compare करा, P row value should be less than or equal to with the corresponding Q row. Then that row is dominated by that which row we have compared. Understood? Same matrix we cannot do, then you have to write a fresh matrix. After reduction, we obtain the following matrix. You have to write like this. Then again, we will remove this. So you write down like this. Till here you write down. This you write down, and then you do it, and you write all the values of the row. I will tell you later on. First you draw this matrix. Draw the matrix. Write the elements. Understood? Everyone? Repeat. When there are number of rows and column, when there is 2 by 2 matrix is there, we will solve by mathematical method. In this way, in this method, in this problem, it is very difficult to solve by mathematical method. So we want to reduce to 2 by 2 matrix. So there is one method called dominance method. 2 marks question will come in the first question. Describe or what is dominance theory. Okay. What is saddle point? Saddle point is game value. In a game theory, when two players are playing a game, when the row and column value are coinciding, it is called saddle point or game theory. 2 marks. And draw your matrix example and show it. This will give you 2 marks. Dominance. What is the dominance? One value is dominated by other value. One value is dominated by other. One row is dominated by other row. So here, when we compare with rows, this row and this row, 30 is less than 35, yes? 20 is less than 65, 15 is less than 25, 0 is less than 5. All the values of the second row are dominated by first row, therefore we cut the second row. Understood? Now? या मराठीत बोलू? हिंदीमध्ये बोलू? मराठीमध्ये? ते रो वगैरे मराठीत येत नाही मला. रोच्या सगळ्या व्हॅल्यू दुसऱ्या सोबत कंपेअर केले. काय वनचं? एक सर बोला. I am not getting your voice.
सर तो की कोणती रो आपण घेऊ शकतो?
कोणती पण घेऊ शकतो. स्टार्टिंगला कसं पण जाऊ शकतो. रो मध्ये लेस व्हॅल्यू बघायची, लेस दॅन इक्वल टू. कॉलम मध्ये मॅक्सिमम बघायची. यू कॅन स्टार्ट विथ द कॉलम ऑल्सो. ओके. कॉलमचं बघू बरं. हे बघा, हा कॉलम आहे. 65 इज ग्रेटर दॅन 35. कॉलम मध्ये ग्रेटर. 65 is greater than, but 20 is not. तर नाही होणार. मग हे दोन रूल बघा. 35 is greater than 25, 30 is greater than 50, 40 is greater than 0, 55 is greater than 10. Understood? So this is dominated. कळलं का? So this part understood? You cut it and write next fresh matrix. The new matrix after dominance is असं लिहायचं. लिहिलं का? You write the matrix. You have cut it. Now write the step. Since all the values of second row are less than or equal to first row, therefore first row is dominated. First row is dominated.
Second
row is dominated by first. Second row is dominated by first. So we obtain the new matrix as हे कट करायचं असं. हे कट केला ही फ्रेश मॅट्रिक्स you have to write like this. So this is A1 and A3 only.
तुला काय होतंय? गेली तेरी. इझी आहे बरं.
दिस इज फर्स्ट पार्ट.
Yes.
असं लिहिलं तर मार्क मिळतील. डायरेक्टली त्याच्यातच केलं 2 मार्क, फक्त 2. एकाच ह्याच्यात नाही करायचं, खिचडी नाही बनवायची त्याच्यात. नाव दिस इज obtained, you cut it, the new matrix obtained. Again we will compare. आता कोणतं सांगा तुम्ही, which one? 40 is less than
First and
50.
second.
First and
Second.
second. So 40 is less than 35 is less than 40.
नाही
नाही होणार ना?
नाही होणार.
50, 40 is less, 50 is less, 0 is less, 10 is less. Yes?
Yes.
So this is dominated.
Yes.
So we'll cut which one?
A3.
A3.
A3. So do it.
Oh, थांबा.
I will wait. Do it. समजलं?
हो.
सर, म्हणजे कट करताना असा काही नियम नाही ना की वरूनच खाली कट केला पाहिजे.
कोणतं पण करू शकते. कंपेअर लेस पाहिजे.
आणि रो पण करू शकतो, कॉलम पण
कॉलम पण. कसं पण?
एका वेळी एकच कट करायचं.
एका वेळेस एकच. एका ह्याच्यात एकच दाखवायचं. दुसऱ्या ह्याच्यात नेक्स्ट. So the new matrix will be, we cut the A3. And we will write here close. A4, 55, 60 and 50. आता रो नाही कट होत ना. Now you want this matrix.
Yes.
Now see here. Again this can be cut. 35 is less, 65 is greater. Not possible. Now we come to the column. Row मध्ये minimum, column मध्ये maximum. हे लक्षात फिक्स करायचं.
Yes.
Row मध्ये minimum, column मध्ये maximum. So column,
सेकंड वन फर्स्ट मध्ये.
this 65 is greater and 60 is greater. Yes? This column, second column, 65 number is greater than 35, 60 is greater than 55. So this is domination. So we'll cut it. ठीक है? समझला का?
हो.
सर फर्स्टचा आधार
हां?
B1 चा आधार मॅक्स कॉलम मध्ये मॅक्सिमम.
रो मध्ये मिनिमम, कॉलम मध्ये मॅक्सिमम. जो मॅक्सिमम व्हॅल्यू असेल सगळ्या त्याला कट करायचं. मराठीत स्टार करून लिहून ठेवा. रो मध्ये मिनिमम व्हॅल्यू बघायचे आणि मिनिमम व्हॅल्यू बघल्यानंतर जो रो लेस असेल त्यालाच कट करायचं आहे. मॅक्सिमम कॉलम मध्ये जे मॅक्सिमम व्हॅल्यू असतील त्यालाच कट करायचं आहे. अंडरस्टूड?
येस.
सो ड्रॉ इट. दिस वन ड्रॉन.
No, wait. Wait. Drawn.
Back side you got? Yes. So should I cut this? Remove. Write the next matrix fresh. B1, B3, B4. लिहिला का सगळ्यांनी? पटकन लिहा. Now here row again possible, we can shift to row. It is possible. 35 is less than 55. 25 is greater, not possible. Column 35 is greater than 25 and 55 is greater than 10. So we'll cut
B3.
So cut it and write fresh matrix. Write fresh matrix. Those who will do in the same matrix will not get the marks. Those who will write only numbers and not matrix, they will not write also A1, A4. They will also not get the marks. So you have to write complete. Written? Okay? Now we come to 2 by 2 matrix. Yes? We got the 2 by 2 matrix now?
Yes.
Again you can check the saddle point. Check it. Possible?
No.
Minimum of 0, minimum of the maximum not possible. Okay. Now, again dominance is possible here. Dominance is possible.
No.
Check it.
Yes.
10 is less than, but 15 is greater. Column 25 is greater, but 10 is less. So not possible. Now we will proceed by mathematical method. So what is that? 25 minus 5. How much? 20. 20 will come here. 10 minus 15. 5. 5 will go here. So 20 plus 25. 20 plus 5. 25. 20 here. 25 minus 10. How much? 15. So 15 comes here. 5 minus 15. 10. 10 will come here. Addition of this. 25. 25. Very easy. Now game value, very easy. Game value. First number 5 into 5 by 25 plus second number 50 into 20 by 25. So 5 5 is 25, 5 5 is cancel, 1 plus 5 4 is 20, 5 5 is 25, 5 is 5, 5 is 50, 3 4 is 12, 12 plus 1 13. Game value. Yes? असं करता का तुम्ही फास्ट सगळं चॅट जीपीटी अँड कॅल्क्युलेटर आलं उत्तर गेम व्हॅल्यू 13 नाही आलं समजलं नाही समजलं परत सांगतो सो 25 minus 5 20 right here 20 will go here 10 minus 15 5 will go here addition of both two 25 25 ठीक है समझ लो इतना
Yes.
25 minus 10 15 15 will come here 5 minus 15 10 10 will come here addition of both 25 25 game value first number 5 our number into corresponding strategy 5 by 25 plus 15 into 20 by 25 कट करायला 5 5 ला 25 5 5 8 cancel हे 1 आला इथे 1 plus 5 4 is 20 5 5 is 25 5 1 is 5 5 is 15 3 4 is 12 12 plus 1 30 ठीक है समजलं
मॅट्रिक्स मध्ये मायनस कर देणार आपल्याला
हा इथे मायनस करायचं
इकडे पण खाली
इकडे पण खाली पण मायनस
ओके
understood yes now how to write the strategy because it was a multiplayer not only two players multiple strategies are there na so how to write we'll see here now strategies form A काय आहे फॉर्म ए ची स्ट्रॅटेजी इथे इकडे बघा काय आहे A1 चा 5 by 25 A1 ला काय आहे 5 by 25 A2 आहे 0 A2 ला 0 A3 आहे नाही 0 A4 yes 20 by 25 आता B च फॉर्म B काय आहे B च 10 by
पहिलं 0 आहे
पहिलं 0
दुसरं पण 0
दूसरा 0 तीसरा 10 by 20
25
हाँ तीसरा
15 by 25
10 by this and this you will get 10 marks but they have told A1 B1 strategy so which strategies check from A1 this is what first A1 आहे काय आलं उत्तर काय लिहिलं बघा ठीक आहे A1 A1 चं किती आलं हे स्ट्रॅटेजीज करून काय ते स्टेटमेंट दिलंय ना ते लिहायचं आपल्याला बघा पेपर
A1 B1
here A1 given you coupons okay A2 B2 decrease price
A3 B3
so हा जो नंबर आलेला आहे इथे हा कोणता आहे हा स्ट्रॅटेजीचा A1 B3 A1 B3 चं काय आहे बघा A1 चं काय आहे A3 B3. Understood? That's what the last paper, recent paper. This is the backlog one. 24 pattern. This is the recent one. लास्ट वाला काय आता A4 B4 B4 त्या हाईट मेजरमेंट म्हणून त्याची स्ट्रॅटेजी काय आहे ते दिलेलं आहे Okay, next problem. Find the optimal strategies for A and B. Find the optimal strategies. Find the optimal strategies for A and B in the following game. Also obtain the value of game.
Also 10.
Write the problem fast. So solve along with me parallelly, simultaneously. So this is for 10 marks. So this is you will solve the following game and strategies. So in this case, we will check the saddle point. So minimum -7, -6, -7, maximum 9, maximum 8, maximum 4. No saddle point. There is no saddle point. Therefore, we proceed by dominance method.
सो ते सॅडल पॉईंट साठी स्टेप करण्याची गरज आहे का म्हणजे दाखवायची गरज आहे का बॉक्स आणि स्क्वेअर सर्कल आणि स्क्वेअर आपण डायरेक्ट
असं लिहिलं तरी चालतं पण तुम्हाला माहिती पाहिजे. Now we will proceed by dominance method. So we will first check row. So what is dominance? All the values of the row are less than equal to corresponding row. So here 3 is less than 9, -6 is less than 8, 4 is greater than -7. This will not. Then here 3 is less than 6, minus 6 is less than 7, 4 is greater. नहीं होना.
Yes.
Column maximum value will see 9 is greater than 8, 3 is greater than minus 6, but 6 is less. Here 8
is less greater than
8 is greater than minus 7, minus 6
4
is
is better.
7.
हाँ
इथे ना minus 7
समजा? बघा.
7 greater. Minus 6 is
this one 9 is greater than minus 7, first and third. 3 is
yes.
less आहे greater नाही. बघा कसं which one? First and third row. Which one? 9. 6 is less than 9. 7 is less than 8. Minus 7 is equal to minus 7.
Yes.
Less than and equal to. So this is dominated by. So this. Yes. Understood?
Yes.
Right in the next step. Reduce matrix. Written.
No. Yes. ते झाले ना.
So the new matrix is like this.
9, 8, minus 7, 3, minus 8.
Here also 9 is greater than 8. 3 is greater than minus 6. Yes?
Yes.
Column is greater. So this column will be dominated. Do it. So we'll move to next step. B1 we will remove from here. B2, B3. A1, A2. Again possible, saddle point minus 7,
Yes.
minimum of the row minus 7, minus 6, maximum 8, 4, no saddle point. Now we will go by, again we will check dominance sign, dominance is 8, minus 6 less than 8, 4 is greater. Column 8 is greater, minus 6 is less, नहीं होना. Dominance नहीं होता. मग इथे will go by mathematical method. 8 minus of minus 7 किती 15.
Minus 9 plus.
ये माइनस आहे इथे माइनस ऑलरेडी पकडतो आपण. माइनस ऑफ माइनस 7 means plus. 8 plus 7 15. Minus 6 minus 4. Same sign number we have to add.
10.
Same sign number we have to add. माहिती आहे ना? 6 standards चा प्रॉब्लेम.
Oh.
माहिती आहे ना?
Yes.
minus 6 minus 2 किती होतं? 8.
8.
minus 8. Same minus 6 minus 4.
Minus 10.
मायनस करतो ना आपण. So 6 minus 4 किती होते?
minus 10.
minus 10 म्हणजे 10. मायनस साइन नाही घेत आपण बाहेर. Now here round 10 by 25, 15 by 25 here. 8 minus of minus 6,
So
14. 14 will come here. Minus 7 minus 4,
11.
11. 11 will come here. So 11 plus 14 किती होते? 25. 20. The game value. Game value. First number minus 7 into 10 by 25 plus 4 into 15 by 25. Minus 7. 5 to the 10. 5 5 the 25. 2 7 the minus 14 by 5 plus 5 3 the 15. 5 5 the 25. So 12 by 5. So minus 2 by 5. Game value. Strategies. Player A. Player strategy काय? 10 by 25. A2 ची 15 by 25. A3 पण होतं ना. A3 is 0. For player B, B1 0, 11 by 25 and 14 by 20. So if you solve this complete, 10 marks. So very easy. All the problem from the question paper I am taking. समजलं कसं काय ना?
यस.
तेच नाही.
करून घ्यायचं. Now next problem. Understood everyone? Reduce the following matrix. Reduce the following matrix by dominance property. And solve the value of game, or find the value of game. Reduce the following matrix by dominance method and solve and find the value of game.
इथे पण मायनस केलं कसं? सगळीकडे दिलंच नाही. मग ते इथे
So here it is 4 and here 5 columns are there. So need not to worry, just do the dominance property. Very easy. Within 5 minutes you can solve the problem.
सर जो डॉमिनन्स सिरीज स्टार्ट करायच्या आधी सॅडल पॉईंट चेक करायचं आहे का?
हाँ, सैडल पॉइंट चेक करें.
मॅक्सिमम
जिथं मायनस पण असतं.
So here
रो मध्ये मॅक्सिमम कॉल
minimum 1, minimum 1, minimum 5, 1, maximum 6, 6, 6, 7, 7, and 6. So no saddle point. So we'll go by dominance property. So dominance property, 1 is less than 3, 3 is less than 4, 2 is greater. So compare this. 1 is less than 6, 3 is less than 5, 2 is less than 7, 7 is greater. Not possible. We'll compare this. 2 is less than 6, 0 is less than 5, 6 is less than 7, 3 is less than 6, 1 is less than 5. समजलं का? 2 is less than 6. तुम्ही कोणतं पण करू शकता. कसं पण जाऊ शकता. But answer should come at the end equal. सगळ्यांचं सांग.
सर ते A3 मधला 5 आहे ना,
A3
A3 B2 चा हां तो सॅडल आलाय.
सॅडल आलाय. चेक केले. Minimum of the row 1, 1. ठीक है.
दोन्ही फाय
दोन फायला करायचे. इथे 0. Maximum 6. Maximum 5. Here
7,
7.
7
7.
and 6.
6. So this is your saddle point. This is your game value. This 5. Game value. But they have asked for dominance theory. So it's solved by, you should know the answer. You know that 5 is the answer. Now it's solved by dominance property. So what is the dominance property? Find the answer.
हे केलंय डायरेक्ट घेत असते आणि ज्याला
So it's solved. So 2 is less than 6, 0 is less than 5, 6 is less than 7, 3 is less than 6, 1 is less than 5. So 1 is less than 6, 3 is less than 5, 2 is less than 7, 7 greater, this 2. 3 is less than 6, 4 is less than 5, 1 is less than 7, 5 is less than 6, but 6 is greater. So this not possible. Go for column. Okay. So 3 is greater than 2, 4 is greater than 1, 5 is not. So this one. 4 is greater than 3, 6 is greater than 4, 5 is equal to 5. Again, 7 greater than 2, 5 greater than 1, 6 not. 7 is greater than 3, 5 is greater than 4, 6 is greater than 5. Dominated. Again row. 1 is less than 3, 3 is less than 4, 2 greater. 1 is less than 6, 3 is less than 5, 2 is less than 7. Cut. Now greater. So or less. So 3 is less than 6, 4 is less than 5, 1 is less than 7. Okay? Like this. So here B1, B2, B3. Now 6, 5, 7. Okay, dominance. Apply dominance first. 7 is greater than 5. 6 is greater than 5. 5 is the answer, and we got that saddle point 5. So answer is 5. Understood? Very easily, very long answer within 5 minutes. Understood?
सर आता हे सगळं कट करून स्टेप वाईज दाखवायला लागणार.
हा स्टेप वाईज दाखवा. मी एकाच केलं पटापट. स्टेप वाईज एक एक कट करत जसं पहिले याला केलं. फर्स्ट कट केला रिड्यूस मार्जिन, सेकंड रिड्यूस मार्जिन.
सर पण सॅडल पॉईंट जो भेटले आपल्याला ते डायरेक्ट लिहू नाही शकत.
त्यांनी काय विचारलेलं आहे? डॉमिनन्स. दिस इज डॉमिनन्स. चेकिंग सॅडल पॉईंट इज नॉट डॉमिनन्स.
आकर्षण किती मार्काला होता? आकर्षण किती मार्काला होता?
10 मार्क.
कट करायचं मग किती होते?
Understood? Now we have to find the strategies. आता या केस मध्ये how to find the strategies? Understood? So this point, what is this point? B2, A3. पूर्ण मॅट्रिक्स मध्ये त्याला 1 लिहायचे, बाकी सगळीकडे 0 लिहायचे. That is your strategy. हा जो पॉइंट आहे ना त्याला 1 करायचं, सगळीकडे जे मॅट्रिक्स होतं ना सगळीकडे 0 करायचं.
फायनल
हा 0 0 B4 पण होतं, B5 पण. So this is the final strategy. This point you are getting 5 number as a game value. So in this case you have to write like this final. जिथे पॉइंट आलेला आहे त्याला 1 करायचं, बाकी सगळीकडे 0 टाकायचं. Understood? Very easy. Now you can solve in the paper. Only number will change in the paper. Numbers will change. Method is same. So easily you can get 10 marks of game theory. Within 5 or 7 minutes you can solve the problem. So 2.5 hours you have. So first question you will solve of game theory. You want some example?
Yes. इथून काय कट होईल डायरेक्ट ए वर
तीन method है. Dominance, mathematical.
6 केलं ना
दो method. answer में object करेगा.
5 आणि 7 नाही आणि नंतर झालं जाणार आपण नेट लिहिलं पाहिजे
Zero sum game म्हणजे त्याची व्हॅल्यू zero आहे.
थर्ड केस ची आली.
याची गेम व्हॅल्यू 5 आली.
हेच मॅट्रिक्स
Write the problem.
सर एक मिनिट
Solve the following game by dominance property.
So the
Solve the following game by dominance property. Write A1, A2, A3 and B1, B2, B3. Left side and right side. Solve the following game using dominance property. Right here. Matrix A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3. Inside that you write 8 minus 3, 7, 6 minus 4, 5 minus 2, 2 minus 3. You can do it. Answer is 1 by 3. Answer is 1 by 3. Game value. Find out. Find out now.
आन्सर काय डायरेक्ट
You
डॉमिनन्स
can solve at home.
Yes.
No?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
I will take the next problem. Go. Numerical words problem. Word.
so its answer
1 by 3. Answer is 1 by 3. Write down problem. There is a game of metallic coin. There is a game of metallic coin. Head and tail.
Metallic.
There is a game of metallic coin. Coin माहित है ना? Metallic coin. Head and tail. With 2 players. A wins. A wins 1 unit of value. A wins 1 unit of value. 1 unit of value. When there are 2 heads. And wins nothing. And wins nothing. when there are two tails. Comma. If one head and one tail are there, B wins half unit of value. B wins half unit of value. Determine the optimal strategies. 10 marks. With 2 minutes you can solve the problem. So from the word problem, you have to frame the matrix, payoff matrix, that is 5 marks. And solving 5 marks. So you know tossing a coin. Coin you toss?
Yes.
Head, tail. Dice, 6 faces. Then playing cards, 52 cards. 26 red, 26 black. Okay? Like this, the problem will be there. So this is one of the coin problem. There is a game of metallic coin. In cricket, 2 captains came. They throw a coin, metallic coin. Okay? So head and tail. So 2 player A, head, player B. So captain of one team, captain of another team. When the coin is tossed, so what is written there? First line.
Head and tail with 2 players. A wins.
A wins.
1 unit of value.
So in game theory, we will always think in terms of player A only. Player A will win and player A will lose. B win. We will never say player B will win. We will say only in the times of player A. A will win or lose. Understood?
Yes.
Now, when the coins turns head, both head, what is there? B wins. A wins. How much value?
1 unit.
1 unit. So both head are here. So he is winning
1 unit.
1 unit of value. And
When
next?
there are 2 heads and he wins nothing. When there are
2 tails. So 2 tail will become here.
If one,
Okay? 0. Then next line.
if one head and one tail.
1 head and 1 tail. B is going to win, but A will lose. So half unit of value. So if there are head and tail, half. But A is losing, B is winning. So we will write minus. So always think in terms of player A. So writing this 5 marks. And now you know how to solve it mathematically. Understood? Very easy? We'll explain one more time. What is written there? 2 player. There is a game of metallic coin for player A and B. If the coin turns both head, A wins 1 unit of value. If head and tail are there, so A will win nothing. So here, first both head, both tail are there. What is? Both head 1 unit of value, and tail, for case of tail, 0.
Okay.
And next part.
Sir.
The matching player is paid ₹8. The matching player is paid ₹8 if the 2 coins turns both heads. The matching player is paid ₹8 if the 2 coins turns both heads. And ₹1 if the coin turns both tail. And ₹1 if the coin turns both tail. The non-matching player is paid. The non-matching player is paid ₹3 when the 2 points do not match. Two points do not match. बघा इथे मॅचिंग प्लेयर H मॅच होते मॅचिंग प्लेयर इकडे नॉन मॅचिंग इकडे पहिलं काय the matching player is paid ₹8 when the points turn both heads मग इथे काय आहे ना
8.
when the 2 points turn both 8 आणि ₹1 when both tail आहे काय 1 this is now the non matching player
Paid 3 rupees.
₹3 okay 3 non matching so head and tail not matching 3 head and tail not matching but here non matching means A has lose 3 minus 3 so it will minus 4 5 marks very easy find the value of game I will give you the answer solve at home
अगं यूज होतं ना हे.
कुठे दिले त्याच्यात?
आता प्लेयर्स एक दोन्ही जर नाही भेटले नॉन मॅचिंग असले हेड पण नाही दोन्ही आले एकावर त्याच्यावर
play with 3 coins this is 20 सगळे इथे बघा झालं लिहून this is first number you have to write 20 त्यांनी पण 20 plus 20 sum of the coin काय आलंय 40 काय आहे 40 काय आहे ऑड आहे की इवन आहे इवन काय असेल मग इवन आलं तर A with 20 coin B चे किती आहे 20 plus 20 समजलं दुसरं 20 आणि 25 किती होतं किती 45 काय आहे ऑड आहे कोण जिंकणार बी जिंकणार पर ए हारणार किती -20 समजलं 20 plus 50 70 so who will win
B.
B wins means A losing by how much -20 70 is what even odd or even किती आहे कोण जिंकेल इवन आला तर 20 coin B चे किती आहे 50 plus 50 25 plus 20 how much 45 even है कि odd है who will win B how much -25 25 plus 25 50 even odd who will win A will win whose coin B's coin how much 25 plus 50 and 20 25 and 50 75 odd who will win B wins how much -25 A will lose -25 20 plus 50 70 odd or even who will win A will win 20 plus 20 50 plus 25 75 is odd who will win B will win but A will lose -50 50 plus 50 100 who will win A plus 50 then 5 marks yeah repeat
हे मला कळाले
ते आहे ना पॉइंट 10 रुपये 20 रुपये ते करून दाखवतात तुम्हाला दोघांना सांगा हा तू पण आहे आणि दुसरा एक कोणीतरी आहे पॉइंट देऊ एनी रुपीज पॉइंट 20 30 10 रुपीज असेल मला दाखवा त्याला
5 rupees.
5 okay see here this is 5 rupees okay 10 rupees you come here two boys come here इकडे ये प्रॅक्टिकल करू आपण युअर प्लेयर A 5 ठीक है प्लेयर B ठीक है ठीक आहे चल गेम खेळायचे ठीक आहे टाकायचं नाही 50 is even
A1.
so plus 25 correct understood
Yes.
so you can solve rest same method mathematical method Taubenas method answer
Answer काय?
so only this part will change this number will change sometimes 5 paisa 10 paisa 20 paisa this will reverse sum is odd